So we went to see, the name of the movie was Free
Free
Birds.
birds.
And what was it about?
The burglar got him.
And was there turkeys in it?
Yeah. And the delivery man and the chicken, he grabbed a pizza and they give him all the pizzas.
All the pizzas?
Yeah.
Wow, and did they go time traveling?
Yeah. No.
And was it funny?
Yeah. And the wolves were in it.
Was wolves in it?
Yeah, they were racing after the chickens. Roar!
And was it scary?
Yeah.
Were you scared?
No.
Okay.
A
And
little bit.
just a little bit.
Yeah.
And was it very, very funny, or was it just funny?
Very, very funny.
Okay. And what was your favourite part?
And the bubbles eating all the, and you know, Daddy, and you know,
No?
and the boys eat all the pizzas and girls.
Okay. And should everybody go to see it?
Yeah,
Boys and girls?
yeah.
And how good was it? How much did you like it?
50 euros.
50 hours again. Okay. Okay, so Free Bird, so do we give it a thumbs up? Yay! And everybody should go see it. Cool. Okay, that's what the kids say.